Okay, dear students, this is the next question that we can say from the worksheet of level 2 higher challenging one, or in other words we can say it is our level 3 worksheet. Okay, level 3 worksheet. From level 3 worksheet, question number 7, a metal wire of mass m slides without friction, no friction is there. Okay, mass is given, that is m, of two horizontal rails spaced at distance d. The distance between these two rails is what? L, that is given to us, d, apart shown. Okay, the rails are situated in a uniform magnetic field B. What is the direction of magnetic field? From the diagram we can understand it is outwards. Okay, a battery sending current I. From battery we can see that current is moving in this direction. Okay, find the velocity of wire as a function of, obviously if a current carrying conductor is there in any magnetic field, then it is going to experience a force. Okay, so let's see, first we will write the given things. Given mass m is given of the wire, distance of the wire or length of the wire, that is d, which is going to experience force, magnetic force or Lorentz force, that also we can say. Magnetic field, that is also given to us b, and that magnetic field is vertically upward. We can find out the Fleming's left hand, we can use Fleming's left hand rule to find out the direction. If you are going to use, then direction will be this. I am not going to explain the direction, it is your duty to find it out, and but you do find it out. Okay, current flowing in the wire, that is I. Find the velocity, हमें क्या पता लगाना है, that is to find velocity. Wire is a function of time, and initially at rest, means one more thing is given, initial velocity is 0 meter per second, that is given to us. Okay, let's see which formula to be used. Right here the number of formula which we can use. Formula, okay, so first and foremost formula, if current carrying conductor is there, then this formula is there, IBL sin theta. Can anybody tell what is theta here? Theta, magnetic field is upward and current carrying conductor is in the plane, so it will be 90 degree. So we can calculate now here force F is equal to I B and not L, now it is D, because here it is given D. Sin theta, that is what? Sin 90. So what is it here? I B D. But this is the force, we need to calculate velocity. Now what is the formula for velocity? V is equal to U plus AT. These two formula we are going to use here. So first formula we got force, but in second formula we need acceleration. So force can be converted into acceleration. We already know A is equal to F by M, and already mass of the wire is given, that is M. So acceleration will be what? IBD upon M. So now this is our equation 2. Put this value in this formula. Which one? In this one. Okay, so that is V is equal to U given to us, that is 0, plus A, that is what? IBD upon M into time t, because according to question, as a function of time we have to find out. So we got the answer. V is equal to IBD upon M into t, because it is the function of time. I is constant, B is constant, D is constant, M is constant. The more is the time, the more is the velocity. That's it for this question. Okay.